Welcome to part 139 of Daily English. Today's topic: Listening and Speaking Conversation Challenge. Start the conversation. Example: Start the conversation with a friendly greeting. Ask open-ended questions. Example: Ask open-ended questions to keep the conversation going. Listen carefully. Example: Listen carefully before you answer. Respond naturally. Example: Respond naturally using your own words. Keep the conversation going. Example: Keep the conversation going by asking another question. Show interest. Example: Show interest by listening and smiling. Be a good listener. Example: Be a good listener and don't interrupt. Enjoy the conversation. Example: Enjoy the conversation and relax. Practice with different people. Example: Practice with different people to build confidence. Mini conversation. Anna: Hi. Nice to meet you. How are you today? Ben: I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? Anna: I'm great. What do you like to do on weekends? Ben: I usually play badminton and watch movies. What about you? Anna: I enjoy traveling and trying new food. It was nice talking to you. Daily tip: A great conversation is a balance between speaking and listening. Ask questions, listen carefully, respond naturally, and show genuine interest in the other person. The more conversations you have, the more confident and fluent you'll become. Speaking challenge. Have a 5-minute English conversation with a friend, teacher, or language partner. Ask open-ended questions, answer naturally, keep the conversation going, and finish politely. If you don't have a partner, play both roles by yourself and record the conversation. Subscribe for part 140. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.